welcome back to my channel. And it feels weird because I'm vlogging after such a long time. I thought it's the start of new year, like new academic year, new semester, so why not just record everything? And as you saw, I just got up pretty early, got ready, and now I just packed my bag and I'm ready for uni. Honestly, this is the start of new semester, like I've entered the second year and I don't know how it has happened. Like I still can't process it that I'm already in second year of uni and today it's like just the first day of it and I'm pretty nervous, chill, like I don't have the nerves which I had to like the beginning of the first year. But I think it's gonna be a pretty chill day and a productive one too. So let's see what we end up doing. Guys, we are done with day one.
Yeah.
How was your feeling? मुझे तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया क्या हो रहा था.
4 कंटिन्यूस लेक्चर के पास बोल रही है कि क्या फीलिंग थी.
अरे the thing is हमें ब्रेक भी नहीं था. And it was so weird. We didn't have breakfast. Now it's 12. We were in class from 8. So we'll now go have एक बस से बीच में से निकलना पड़ेगा. So we'll see now what we'll have for lunch. So apparently I should be hitting the gym right now. But वो थोड़ा it was the first day. Look at this double chin and everything. Need to go to gym. I think a short Chotu nap is something we deserve. So I need to sleep because I'm way too tired. And with this shakal I can't go to gym. So let's sleep. So I was supposed to be in the gym right now. I mean, maybe an hour before. But I didn't go because my nap time just elongated a bit. And then if I went to the gym, then I couldn't have able to done my editing and was working on my research and all. So right now I'm working, done with today's short and the reel. Edited it, uploaded it. So if you guys have not seen, go check it. And now it's around 7:30 in the evening. So I'll be working for maybe half an hour more. Then I'll have my dinner, go for a walk, and then we'll figure out because we have a lot of work to do, honestly. Like my schedule is so hectic and I have so much work to do. See, this is what happens when you're hungry. But I was saying that I have so much work to do that I don't know how to fit all of that in my schedule, and uni has just started, so need to adjust to that schedule as well because need to get the final timetables and all. So we'll figure out, and I think everything is going to work out. So let's see. So it's 12 a.m. in the night, so it's the start of the new day, and I'm filming content right now because like with university it gets difficult to maintain everything, and I had a good content idea. I was feeling energetic, so I filmed it. And it's a series called Dear Freshers. If I would be going to uni again, then I would listen to this. So, freshers, all of you are watching this. Either you're joining Christ, you're not joining Christ, you're going anywhere, you're joining a university. You need to listen to this because trust me, I'm just your senior, like 1 year senior. I've just passed my first year, and I know how it is, how everything is in uni, and what I have faced. So, from my genuine experience, I'm sharing everything in this series. So, I hope you guys will like it. Baki up to I'll work on editing this because I don't know. I slept in the afternoon, so I'm pretty energetic. Or else we'll see, we'll do something. Yeah, that's the plan. Guys, it's officially the last day of the week. It's Friday, so we have college functioning till Saturday. But yeah, I was feeling very girly, so we were all jhumkas and looking the sunlight. Oh my god, just loving the light. But yeah, that's what I was saying. I feel this week had been productive, and I'll talk more about everything by today. Hi, girlies, boys, everyone watching. It's Friday at the end of week apparently, and this is my coffee. This makes me happy. So yeah, this is my YouTube and coffee time, and I've not frozen my coffee because I forgot to charge my frother. So, but yeah, guys, tell me about your life. Like, has your college started or not? Like, how you are figuring out everything. Let me know every single thing. Apparently, you guys have seen that I'm watching only one YouTuber, but it's because whenever I'm recording, her vlogs come out or something is there. But it's Sydney Serena, and I love her content. I've been following her for years now, and I like when she moved to New York, I was like, this was meant to happen. Like, oh my god, let's manifest one day that I move to New York and I film a moving vlog. That would be fun to film. But should I do it? Okay. The Bal Beach. Anyways, so I know I should get better vlogging and I should record more in uni. But trust me, guys, I would do that. It's just that it's the starting of the new week, new semester, new year, and it was after a long break. So everyone is kind of settling, figuring out, and uske beech mein if I keep my camera on, it would look weird. So yeah, but next week onwards, whenever I'm vlogging, I'll first see that how much you guys are liking my vlogs. Like, are you guys loving this kind of content? Because personally, I love long form content. I love watching vlogs. That's the reason I watch Serena also. And I watch many YouTubers like Brianna is there time because I watch their 40-50 minutes vlogs as well. So I'm a big vlog girly. So I thought let's just create, let's see your response in this. And yes, I try to film more cinematic shots, like what am I actually doing in life. This was a bit spontaneous for me. I didn't plan on vlogging, but I thought let's just start, otherwise I'll keep on waiting. Because right now I'm also filming my 365-day challenge. So every day I have to post something. So it's kind of like I'm out of ideas sometimes. So yeah. Also guys, if you haven't met, this is Piggu. This is my chotu sa baby. Yeah. He listens to me, okay? I know he looks she, but he's he. Because I named him Piggu. So yeah, he's gonna be there for a while. So that's what I was saying, that if you guys loved this vlog, then let me know. I'll film more. I'll show you how a Christite's life is basically. How surviving in Bangalore is. And trust me, it looks fancy on the outside, but only the people living there knows that how do we survive. And once I start filming all my CIA week and all, you'll see the pain, but it's equally fun also. Like, yeah, it's still difficult to process that I'm already in my second year. Like, I started my YouTube channel when I was in 10th, then stopped. So it's been a really long and chaotic journey, I'll say, but a very special one. So yeah. Also, I'm planning to do a Q&A because I think many of you guys not know what are my plans, what I've been doing, and everything behind the scenes wala stuff. So let me know if you guys want to know. You have any question, like if you guys have any question in mind, anything you want to ask, you could just ask me out, like on my comment section, Instagram demons. I'm watching the show, by the way, but yeah. You can DM me on Instagram anytime. I'll always reply. At least I try to. And yeah, I'll leave my Instagram handle below. So yeah, tell me about your college life. How like you are fixing everything, figuring out if you're first year, then welcome to uni life. But yeah, that's what my first week looked like. It was kind of boring, I would say, because it was just the beginning and we were still figuring out. But the next week onwards, it's gonna get pretty interesting and hectic. So yeah, I'll vlog more. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this, then you know what you need to do. Like, share, and subscribe. It's free. Subscribe to my channel. But yeah, bye. See you in the next one.